Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, lady jacket, girls top, baby sweater, gents half sweater, full sweater and baby blanket. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 4 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 8 plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 8 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 16 stitches, multiple of 8, 2 times 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 plus 2 edge stitches, 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip pinch, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 2. 1, 2. Yarn in back, now twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop and knit these two. 1, 2. Now twist 2 from right to left, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from back loop and first stitch on your left needle from front loop and knit these two. 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Purl 2, twist 2 from left to right and knit 2, twist 2 from right to left and knit 2, purl 2. This is 8 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again we repeat this pattern. How much you have? So one more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, twist 2 from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop and knit these two. 1, 2. Twist 2 from right to left, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from back loop, first stitch on your left needle from front loop and knit these two. 1, 2. Purl 2, 1, 2. Here we complete 2 times. Repeat pattern on last edge, knit edge from right side. First row is completed on second row wrong side. Purl these all stitches. Purl edge from wrong side. Now third row right side, knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. Third row is completed now fourth row wrong side. Again purl these all stitches till the end of row. Purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat this 1 to 4 rows and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of hand. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.